same, brother. Splinter! Jesus. Hey, image is everything, you know. What of them? Corner and winter. Splinter. Run the tracker for me. You have some friends, you know. So I say, you do everything for them, but then find a way for you to sell it. Then find a way for you to sell it, then find a way for the bad man to sell it. Right? You have a chart?
Not fine, chop one.
Number one. Cool. Then find a way for bad man to sell it, then find a way for you to sell it. When I hear them, but give me inspiration to do better. Cool! Splinter Excel. You might try. Ready?
Chop one.
Yeah.
Ready. Knock it.
Yeah. As nice as for them friends. So that's that Splinter. Fall in the winter.
Them think you're delicious. Said friend them well want see you give up. Vicious, malicious, no vicious. Man a transform, man a move suspicious. I make nothing gone out if you have a hey, man a transform, man a move suspicious. In a doggy dog world, doggy dog world. It's a doggy dog, it's a doggy dog world.
Next track. Alright, fast and much.
No mess around, corruption on the side. When the neck of fire deep, when the still the fire weak, boy who's get cooked like an afternoon meal. Boy good at tough, cast iron and steel. Find them weak spot like Achilles heel. Sharp like razor blade, dark in the dull. Sharp like razor blade, dark in the dull. Bust out the skull, bust out the skull. When the nigga they call it a ball. Body of the very like steel in the ground. Body of the running like teeth. Man the wickedest sins to see it and they call. Body fight through.
We'll do this, we'll love this. Over there. Over there.
Darkness is your ally.
Darkness is your ally.
I was born in it.
Come on. Hold it up a little bit. Pull it up. Hold it on a little bit. Give it back. Towards me, it's a little bit.
Darkness is your ally. You merely knocked in the dark. I was born in it.
Black is the light, it's not even light. Those are the lights. we are to you. We will never stand down. Living with these memories, battles of the centuries. All my adversaries will bow before me and watch me rise. Living with these memories, battles of the centuries. All my adversaries will bow before me and watch me rise.
Watch what I say now. My mind Tuesday name, you know. So you have entertain artists with different style, car. You see that when those though, versatility you call that, you know. You see when the man make sure come out with image and style. You see me I say, Splinter, man. You see me I say, Splinter. What's that man? That me I saying, my mind Tuesday. We accept all kind of artists around here. You see we I say, that the youth them are the future. If you don't give the youth them a chance, then they can't know what will be the next generation of music, don't it? Hear me now, no?